Welcome to Always Dolls, and thanks for joining us. Today we are crafting more American Girl food. See how to make an easy tray of nachos similar to the AG version from Corinne's Ski and Snack Shop. If you enjoy this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to support our channel. Time to close up shop.
You guys have nachos for $5?
As a matter of fact, we do. Depends who's asking. It is my duty to protect the Rocky Mountain Ski Shop, which holds pretzels, brownies, cookies, and of course, nachos! So what will it be? Cash or credit?
I'll pay in cash. Can you make a takeout? These nachos are good. Do you have any more?
Plenty!
For this craft, we need to start with the serving tray, so we googled paper tray templates and scrolled through the images, selecting this one from KP on a Pinterest tag. Link in description box. Copy into MS Word, resize if needed, then print out. Here we took a sheet of lavender and gold foil scrapbooking paper, as the design looks similar to that in Corinne's ski shop pictures. Glue your tray printout to the back side of the paper, then cut away. Next, pre-fold along the dashed lines and cut small slits along the solid lines to create tabs. Put glue on all 4 tabs to assemble the serving tray. Now we will modify the original template to make our nachos. Reduce the center rectangle 1 centimeter in width and 1/2 centimeter in length. Along the walls of the template, we have sketched zigzag lines for the actual nacho chips. It helped to reference AG stock photos for this step. Cut out your nacho insert and glue to paperboard that is 2 layers thick. Following this, fold along all your new perimeter lines and cut away the tab sections. Now, trace your nacho chip shapes onto more double-layered paperboard. This is what you should have so far. Using hot glue, assemble the insert tray at the corners. Next, draw a line of hot glue at the fold line to adhere a nacho chip layer. Continue around all 4 sides. Repeat for the next layer. As the layers get narrower, you will need to trim down your cutouts for a better fit. Fill the center of the tray with hot glue and carefully place 2 cotton balls for filler. Cover with a thin layer of hot glue, then position some individual nacho chips to neaten up the corners. It's looking good. Time to paint. We mixed yellow ochre with white and yellow paint for a custom nacho chip base color. Cover all over, making sure to paint in between the chip layers. We needed to do 3 layers of paint to achieve complete opacity. Again, referencing AG pictures, draw in the area for the cheese. Fill in with more hot glue, then paint that distinctive golden yellow color. We learned this cool technique from awesome YouTuber Rainbow Fairy Crafter. Check out her American Girl movie snacks DIY for more ideas. Link in the description box. Once the paint has dried, add liquid glue to adhere the toppings. Simply cut thin strips of colored fun foam into tiny cubes. First, sprinkle on the brown cubes for the beans, then add a few green and red cubes for peppers. Paint a blob of hot glue white for the sour cream and glue on top. That's it! Your nachos are ready to pop in their serving tray for your dolls to enjoy. We'd love it if you hit that like button, subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a new DIY. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!